Hi, my name is Gordon McGregor, and I'll be showing you some simple tricks with Google Sheets. So our first trick will be that your computer will already know what's going to come next. So as you can see here, we've got a bunch of data. But most importantly, we've got the year, and then the temperature, and what season. So you're saying this might be a lot of typing, but your computer will automatically know what is coming next. If you scroll down to the bottom right here, as you can see, we've got summer, fall, winter, spring. So if we've already got summer, so if we type in the first letter of fall, there it is. Let's go winter, it's already there, and spring, it's already there, and it'll automatically do that. So our next trick will be to add more columns. So this is the easiest trick ever. So all you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to the bottom. Let's say I need an extra 1,000 columns. All I'm going to do is type in 1,000, hit add, and there we go. We've got 3,000 columns now. Scroll back up to the top. So the next will be to change these numbers into something more specific. So let's say you needed 89.7 percentile, or $43.09. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in your numbers. So let's take 55. And you're just going to make sure it's highlighted still. You can go up here and you can form as a percent, or you can form as dollars. Of course, as percent, you would need to be more specific with what you're typing in, but it works those ways. And you can also click this button right here, and it'll automatically, so you can change it back into a number, or into a scientific math notation, currency. You can do whatever you want with this bar right here, with your numbers. So the next will be to make sure your words in these boxes do not go over the line. So let's just, my name, so you've got it like this. So what you can do is you can press this button, and it'll pull up this right here. You're going to click this, and there you go. So now you have it in the same little bubble thing. And for another and final trick will be how to get a subsection in your graph. So as you can see in my graph, I have it all laid out. So it goes summer, fall, winter, spring, summer, fall, winter, spring. And you're going to need this if you have more of a big data table, or if you want to portray a certain data table. So all you're going to do is you're going to go and you're going to select all your data. You want to make sure you get these top portions too. You're going to select it all. Once this is all selected, you're going to hit insert and chart. And in a second, it should pull up there. Here we go. We've got a range. So then you can do whatever you want. So you can do no stacking. So you can edit what your labels are. So there we go. If we do that, it tells me what everything is. And if we do a different chart, you can tell us this. Do bar chart, and there we are. There's all of our data. Thank you for watching the video. I hope to catch you in the next one.